Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of Target Computer Awareness that's going to help you in banking, SSC, JK, SSB, UGC, NET, Railway, Police and another state level exams. as आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं some special features of this series. It include chapter wise discussion in notes forum, chapter wise question bank with each chapter, chapter wise collection of previous year questions including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be most important section for you people that will help you in banking, PO clerk, SSC, GK, SSB, UGC, NET, Railway, Police and another state level recruitments. And through this entire series we are going to cover almost all the syllabus. और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करें each chapter, each part at least twice, and they can also practice MCQs, PYQs as well before their examination. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड स्पेशली आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को जहां मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूंगा. अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी, डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देना मुझे ऑल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. एंड अनटिल हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया है 2 MCQ PYQ सेट्स फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर in which we had discussed at least 40 plus questions with detailed explanation. अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा आप जाके उनको also देख सकते हैं. And today we are going to begin third MCQ PYQ set from this chapter. So let's start with the question number 43. The first question is floppy disks are organized as. Your options are 1 files, 2 headers and folders, 3 tracks and sectors, and 4 all of the above. Here the correct answer is option 3, tracks and sectors. Let's see the explanation. जो floppy disks हैं these are generally divided into tracks and sectors. Among which जो tracks हैं these are called as concentric circles and जो sectors हैं these are the pie-shaped divisions within the each track. And both ये जो tracks and sectors हैं they help computer in organizing and accessing data efficiently. And जो हमारा option number 3 है that's our correct answer. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is the capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is. Your options are 1 1.40 MB, 2 1.44 GB, 3 1.40 GB, and 4 1.44 MB. Here the correct answer is option 4, that is 1.44 MB. Let's see the explanation. Standard 3.5-inch फ्लॉपी डिस्क जो है इसकी जो स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है दैट इज़ अबाउट 1.44 MB, जिसको कॉमनली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर स्टोरिंग डेटा. स्पेशली इसको यूज़ किया जाता था इन अर्ली कंप्यूटर्स बिफोर USB ड्राइव्स एंड CDs बिकेम पॉपुलर. एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's move to another question. The question is the most common storage device for the personal computer is the. This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 floppy disk, 2 USB personal computer, 3 mainframe, 4 a laptop, and 5 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 5, none of these. Let's see the explanation. जो मोस्ट कॉमन स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस हैं फॉर पर्सनल कंप्यूटर्स दैट आर हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव्स, HDDs और solid state drives, SSDs, which were not basically given in the option. However जो floppy disks हैं इनको also यूज़ किया जाता था as a common storage in personal computers, but the thing is इनको later replace किया by more advanced storage devices like USB flash drives, external hard drives and cloud storage. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 5 है that's our correct answer. Now let's move to another question. The question is which of the following has the smallest storage capacity? This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2015. Your options are 1 zip drive, 2 hard disk, 3 floppy disk, 4 data cartridge, and 5 CD. Here the correct answer is option 3, floppy disk. Let's see the explanation. Floppy disks जो हैं these has the smallest storage capacity than other options that were given. As discussed earlier जो standard 3.5-inch floppy disk है that typically stores about 1.44 MB of data, जो कि हमें much smaller और limited देखने को मिलता है than to the zip disks, CDs, hard disks और data cartridges. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let's see next question. The question is FDD stands for. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2018 and IBPS Clerk 2015. Your options are 1. Floppy disk detector, 2. Floppy disk demodulator, 3. Floppy disk drive, 4. Floppy demodulator disk, and 5. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option 3. Floppy disk drive. Let's see the explanation. So FDD stands for floppy disk drive, which is basically a storage device that is used to read and write data on floppy disks, और इसको commonly use किया जाता था in old computers for data storage and transfer before that are being replaced by more advanced storage devices like USB drives and external hard drives. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's move to another question. The question is dash dash is the process of driving the disk into tracks and sectors. This question had been already asked in SBI BO 2015 and IBPS Clerk Means 2017. Your options are 1. Tracking, 2. Formatting, 3. Crashing, 4. Allotting, and 5. None of these. Here the correct answer is option 2. Formatting. Let's see the explanation. So formatting is the process of preparing storage devices such as hard disks or floppy disks for data storage. That is by dividing it into the tracks and sectors, and through this process जो users हैं they can easily erase existing data, and they can also set up file system and which also allow operating system to manage access data efficiently. Hence जो हमारा option number 2 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss next question. The question is data on a floppy disk was recorded in rings called. This question had been already asked in IBPS RRPPO means 2017. Your options are 1. Flip, 2. Ringers, 3. Rounders, 4. Fields, and 5. Segments. Here the correct answer is option 5. Segments. Let's see the explanation. जो floppy disks हैं these record data in concentric rings called as tracks, और हर एक track जो है ये हमें further divide देखने को मिलते हैं into the smaller sections that are called as sectors or segments. However, जो tracks हैं it is the primary term which is used for the rings, और जो segments हैं these are basically the divisions within these rings जहाँ data जो है that is actually stored. And जो हमारा option number 5 है that's our correct answer. Now let us proceed to another question. The question is magnetic tape is not practical for applications where data must be quickly recalled because tape is. Your options are 1. Random access medium, 2. A sequential access medium, 3. A read-only medium, 4. A fragile and easily damaged. Here the correct answer is option 2. A sequential access medium. Let's see the explanation. जो मैग्नेटिक टेप्स हैं these store data sequentially in a linear fashion, means जो data है that is written or read in the order when it appears on the tape. And in order to access specific location जो system है that winds through the tape to reach the desired point, which makes it much slower than random access devices like HDDs or SSDs, which can jump directly to the required data location. And जो हमारा option number 2 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to another question. The question is which of the following can hold maximum data? Your options are 1. Optical disk, 2. Floppy disk, 3. Magnetic disk, and 4. Magnetic tape. Here the correct answer is option 4. Magnetic tape. Let's see the explanation. जब magnetic tapes हैं they can store or hold the maximum amount of data as compared to optical disks, floppy disks and magnetic disks, और इनको commonly use किया जाता है for large scale data storage and backup due to their higher capacity and low cost per gigabyte. Hence जो हमारा option number 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to another question. The question is on a CD or W you can. Your options are 1. Read and write information, 2. Read only information, 3. Only write information, and 4. Read, write and rewrite information. Here the correct answer is option 4. Read, write and rewrite information. Let's see the explanation. CDRW जो है it stands for compact disk rewritable, जो कि allow करते हैं यूजर्स को to read, write and rewrite data multiple times. And unlike CDR, that is compact disc recordable, on which जो data है that can be written once, जिसको further users जो है that cannot modify, rewrite or erase. And जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is, which of the following are advantages of CD-ROM as a storage media? This question had been already asked in RBI Grade B 2014. Your options are 1. CD-ROM is an inexpensive way to store large amounts of data and information. 2. CD-ROM disks retrieve data and information more quickly than magnetic disks. 3. CD-ROMs make less errors than magnetic media. 4. All of the above. And 5. None of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4, all of the above. Let's see the explanation. जो एडवांटेजेस हैं CD रोम के एज ए स्टोरेज मीडिया, दैट इंक्लूड्स फर्स्ट, ये हमें इनएक्सपेंसिव स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस देखने को मिलते हैं जो कि स्टोर कर सकते हैं लार्ज अमाउंट्स ऑफ डेटा एट ए वेरी लो कास्ट. सेकंड, इनका हमें फास्ट डेटा रिट्रैवल देखने को मिलता है जो कि रिकवर और रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं डेटा को मोर क्विकली दैन ट्रेडिशनल मैग्नेटिक डिस्क्स. एंड थर्ड, ये हमें लेस प्रोन देखने को मिलते हैं टू दी एरर्स, जो कि हमें मोर रिलायबल देखने को मिलते हैं, एज वेल एज जो कि लेस वल्नरेबल हमें देखने को मिलते हैं टू द फिजिकल डैमेजेस एज कम्पेयर टू मैग्नेटिक मीडिया. है ना, जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है, दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's move to another question. The question is, which media has the ability to have data information stored written on them by users more than once? This question had been already asked in RBI Grade B 2014. Your options are 1. CDR disks, 2. CDRW disks, 3. zip disks, 4. optical disks, and 5. CDRW disks and zip disks. Here the correct answer is option 2. CDRW disks. Let's see the explanation. CDRW disks जो है, these are the rewritable disks, in which जो RW है stands for rewritable, which means जो users हैं they can write, they can finalize or they can erase data as many as times, or we can say they can modify, erase or rewrite data, or it has many rewrite cycles. है जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है, दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let's proceed to next question. The question is, what is the difference between a CD-ROM and CD-RW? This question had been already asked in IBPS PO 2015. Your options are 1. They are the same, just two different terms used by different manufacturers. 2. A CD-ROM can be written to and a CD-RW cannot. And 3. Other than those given as options. 4. A CD-ROM holds more information than CD-RW. And 5. A CD-RW can be written to, but a CD-ROM can only be read from. Here the correct answer is option 1. They are the same, just two different terms used by the different manufacturers. Let's see the explanation. CD-ROM and CD-RW जो है, both are the same, but इनके जो names हैं that are different, which are basically used by the different manufacturers or companies. However, it's also important to note that कि जो CD-ROM है, these are the rewritable disks जिनको हम rewrite, modify कर सकते हैं, while जो CDR है, we cannot modify or rewrite them. और CD-RW जो है, इनके हमें मनी रीड राइट साइकिल्स देखने को मिलते हैं, वाइल जो CD-ROM है इनको हम खाली रीड कर सकते हैं rather than rewrite them. Hence जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है, that is our correct answer. Now let us discuss another question. The question is, compact disks that can store approximately 650 to 800 MB of data or 74 to 80 minutes of music are. This question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2015. Your options are 1. zip disks, 2. CD-ROM, 3. video cards, 4. pressing machines, and 5. floppy diskettes. Here the correct answer is option 2. CD-ROM. Let's see the explanation. CD-ROM, that is compact disk read only memory, ये स्टोर कर सकती है approximately 650 to 800 MB of data, that equals to 74 to 80 minutes of ADO। और ये जो डिस्क्स हैं इनको कॉमनली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मल्टीमीडिया स्टोरेज एंड म्यूजिक एल्बम्स। And unlike rewritable CDs like CD-RW, CD-ROMs, they can only read data। मीन्स जो डिस्क्स है इनको हम मॉडिफाई इरेज नहीं कर सकते हैं आफ्टर देयर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है दैट्स आवर करेक्ट आंसर। Now let's discuss next question. The question is a flat metallic disk that contains a large amounts of data permanently stored information read optically is called. Your options are 1 monitor, 2 ALU, 3 CD-ROM and 4 RAM. Here the correct answer is option 3 CD-ROM. Let's see the explanation. CD-ROM, that is compact disk read only memory. It is a flat metallic disk जो कि स्टोर करती हैं डेटा को परमानेंटली और ये रीड करती है डेटा को ऑप्टिकली, दैट इज बाय यूजिंग लेजर बीम इन CD ड्राइव। एंड अनलाइक रैम विच इज़ ए वोलेटाइल एंड टेम्परेरी मेमोरी, जो CD-ROMs हैं दीज आर द नॉन वोलेटाइल स्टोरेज जिनको हम मॉडिफाई नहीं कर सकते हैं आफ्टर देयर प्रोडक्शन। एंड जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर। Then let's move to another question. The question is CD-ROM is an example of, this question had been already asked in RBI grade B 2014. Your options are 1 input device, 2 output device, 3 both input and output device, 4 memory device and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 4 memory device. Let's see the explanation. CD-ROM, that is compact disk read only memory, it is basically a storage or memory device जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है to store data permanently and it is read only means जो users हैं they cannot modify or delete its contents and it's not input and output device but rather it serves as a secondary storage medium for storing software, multimedia and other data files। and जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है that's our correct answer। Now let's proceed to next question. The question is DVD refers to, this question had been already asked in SSC MTS 2013. Your options are 1 digital video developer, 2 digital video device, 3 digital video disc and 4 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 3 digital video disc. Let's see the explanation. DVD, it stands for digital video disc or digital versatile disc, जो कि हमें बेसिकली ऑप्टिकल स्टोरेज मीडियम देखने को मिलते हैं जो कि स्टोर करती है डेटा, वीडियो और एडियो को। और ये हमें आल्सो ऑफर करती हैं हायर कैपेसिटी दैन ए CD दैट टिपिकली रेंजेस फ्रॉम 4.7 GB to 17 GB डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टाइप ऑफ देयर लेयर्स लाइक सिंगल लेयर, डबल लेयर एक्स्ट्रा। और इनको जनरली यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर मूवीज़, सॉफ्टवेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड डेटा स्टोरेज। And जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to another question. The question is a DVD is an example of an, this question had been already asked in SBI Clerk 2014. Your options are 1 optical device, 2 output device, 3 hard disk, 4 solid state storage device and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 1 optical device. DVD, that is digital versatile disc, it is an example of optical storage device, means it use laser technology to read and write data और इसको commonly use किया जाता है for storing video, software and backup data और इसकी हमें higher storage capacity देखने को मिलती है than CDs that typically ranges from 4.7 GB to 17 GB। So DVD जो है it's not in hard disk or solid state storage device, that's why जो option 3 and 4 है that becomes incorrect and it's also not an output device because इसको use किया जाता है for storage which makes option 2 incorrect। and जो हमारा option number 1 है that's our correct answer। Now let's proceed to another question. The question is which of the following discs can be read only? This question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk 2015. Your options are 1 DVD-R, 2 DVD-ROM, 3 DVD-RW, 4 CD-R and 5 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 2 DVD-ROM. Let's see the explanation. DVD-ROM, that is digital versatile disk read-only memory. It is a read-only disk, means जो data है that is permanently written or stored in it during the time of its manufacturing, जिसको user जो है that cannot further erase or modify. While if we talk about other options like option 1 DVD are recordable, it is incorrect because ये अलो करती हैं यूज़र उसको फॉर वन टाइम राइट, जिसको लेटर इरेज या मॉडिफाई नहीं किया जा सकता है. देन ऑप्शन 3 DVD-RW, इट इज़ आल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज इसके हमें मल्टीपल रीड राइट साइकिल्स देखने को मिलते हैं, मीन्स जो यूज़र्स हैं दे कैन रीड एंड राइट इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स. देन ऑप्शन 4 CDR जो है इट इज़ आल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ सिमिलर लाइक DVD-R, जो कि अलो करती है यूज़र्स को टू राइट डेटा ओनली वंस. देयरफॉर जो DVD-ROM है इट इज़ दी रीड ओनली डिस्क, जिसमें जो डेटा है दैट इज़ परमानेंटली रीडिंग ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ इट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, जिसको फर्दर इरेज या मॉडिफाई नहीं किया जा सकता है ना. सो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है दैट इज़ अवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज which is not an external storage device. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2016. Your options are 1 CD-ROM, 2 DVD-ROM, 3 pen drive and 4 RAM. Here the correct answer is option 4 RAM. Let's see the explanation. CD-ROM, DVD-ROM and pen drives, these are all the external storage devices. मीन्स इनको हम रिमूव कर सकते हैं और इनको हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं विद डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स. वाइल जो रैम है दैट इज़ रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, इट इज़ एन इंटरनल मेमोरी जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है एज ए टेम्परेरी स्टोरेज मीडियम, जो कि टेम्परेरी स्टोर करती हैं डेटा को व्हेन द कंप्यूटर इज़ रनिंग, विच मेक्स इट इंटरनल स्टोरेज डिवाइस. देयरफॉर जो रैम है इट्स नॉट एन external storage device but rather it is an internal storage medium. And जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है that is our correct answer. Now let's move to next question. The question is dash dash is the smallest unit of data in a computer. This question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2018. Your options are 1 gigabyte, 2 bit, 3 byte and 4 terabyte. Here the correct answer is option 2 bit. Let's see the explanation. बिट जो है इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज बाइनरी डिजिट एंड ये हमें स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट देखने को मिलता है यूनिट ऑफ डेटा इन कंप्यूटर, जिसका हमें वैल्यू देखने को मिलता है आइदर 0 एंड 1. वाइल अदर ऑप्शन जो है लाइक ऑप्शन 3 बाइट जो है इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज जो बाइट है इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 8 बिट्स, जो कि हमें लार्जर यूनिट देखने को मिलता है डेटा का. देन ऑप्शन 1 जो है गीगाबाइट एंड ऑप्शन 4 जो है टेराबाइट, दीज आर आल्सो इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज ये हमें लार्जर यूनिट्स देखने को मिलते हैं स्टोरेज के. देयरफॉर जो स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है डेटा का इन कंप्यूटर दैट इज बिट, दैट इज बट आफ्टर निबल. हियर हैंस जो ऑप्शन 2 है दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us discuss last question of this session. The question is the term bit is short for. This question had been already asked in SPI Clerk 2009. Your options are 1 megabyte, 2 binary language, 3 binary digit, 4 binary number and 5 none of the above. Here the correct answer is option 3 binary digit. Let's see the explanation. जो टर्म बिट है इट इज़ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ बाइनरी डिजिट, जो कि हमें स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट देखने को मिलता है यूनिट ऑफ डेटा इन कंप्यूटर आफ्टर निबल, जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वैल्यू ऑफ आइदर 0 और 1 इन बाइनरी सिस्टम. और जो बाइनरी सिस्टम है इट इज़ अ फंडामेंटल लैंग्वेज जो कि कंप्यूटर समझता है. हेंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है दैट इज़ आवर करेक्ट आंसर. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked, you enjoyed this session. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए. और अगर आपको कोई डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखिए. और आप मुझे आल्सो मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल एट. अदरवाइज अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो देन आप मुझे टेलीग्राम पे मिल सकते हैं. where I can share the PDF and you can also mail me on this email. Other than that you can follow me on these social media platforms. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.